Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys step 1, step 2 using the same hair to do cornrows crochet braids and then no cornrows crochet braids. The hair I will be using is called 3D braids. You can get this hair in local beauty store. Doing the normal crochet braids, it was when the hair was new. That is when we did the normal crochet braids. After reusing the hair 4 times, the hair is still looking very nice. And then we decided to use the hair to do individual crochet braids, meaning 50 times of using this hair, the same hair, 3D braids. This hair is very good. If you are looking for hair that you will be able to reuse many times, I would advise you to try these 3D braids. And then she have co-washed this hair more than 10 times. And then when she was even having the normal crochet braids, she was co-washing the braids. And also when she took down the braids, she also co-washed the hair. yeah, this hair is 1 year old. So I am doing voiceover now. She's still rocking the braids. This hair is very, very nice. Just imagine you, braids lasted for 1 year. I don't want to forget, she used 5 packs. Just go to local beauty store and buy 5 packs or 6 packs, depend on who is fixing your hair. But I used 5 packs to fix this style. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Ciao.